Hey there, pop-up friends. It's Rachel with Adventures in Pop-Ups. Today we are prepping cabinets. I am going to use a palm sander just to take off the shiny coating and prep them for primer and paint. Okay, never mind taking all the doors off. Like 2 out of the first 4 screws I tried to do were stripped, and I'm just not wanting to deal with all that. So we're going to do the best we can and see how it goes. It's time for some primer. I have started doing some painting tape around some important pieces. I feel like I'm a decent painter. A lot of times I don't use painting tape. So, going for it. Okay, everything is primed, it's all dried out, it's the next day now, and it's time to paint. I got everything ready to go. It's raining outside, but it's nice and dry inside here. This is like a grayish. I don't have the name for a color because it is left over from a project that we hand mixed. It's mostly gray. Ta-da! Okay, well, we got sanding, priming, and painting done on the cabinets. I'm sure I'll find some spots that I need to touch up on here and there, but for the most part, we are done. Check it off. I got lots more stuff coming. We've got more repairs to do. We've got, actually, I'll go ahead and drop on the screen a little bit of sneak peek. We've got curtains that came in the mail but need altering. We've got sofa slip covers, throw pillows, flooring. We've got all kinds of stuff that are just waiting to be created and finished off. I can't wait to show you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like, hit the subscribe, drop us a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.